introducing Deep Research from OpenAI. So in your ChatGPT window, there's a Deep Research option here. So you can type a detailed prompt for your research. So here is the prompt, and based on that, it's going to ask furthermore questions to get a clarity. Now we are providing answer for those questions. Then it's compiling the research report one by one. First, it's taking the list of steps to take. Then it's starting its research, gathering relevant information, searching the internet. It goes through one by one all the research plan, going through the web pages, reading all the content, putting it all together, and it gives like a research document, full detailed. As a result, you can see the accuracy going to 26.6 compared to DeepSeek R1 9.4, O3 Mini High 13.0. So that is really good. Considering you are able to search the internet for every single query, plan the task, it's going to increase in accuracy. So here is a comparison in regards to maximum tool calls and the pass rate. More number of tool calls, the pass rate is going to get higher. So tool calls are nothing but internet search. It also could include other tools such as Archive, PubMed, and much more. So how it works? So they fine-tune with reinforcement learning on hard browsing and reasoning tasks across a range of domains. It learned to plan and execute. Then it uses tool calls to browse over the files, plot, graphs, internet search, and it will embed both generated graphs and images from website into its responses. It can cite specific sentence or passages. So technically, it's fine-tuning the base model and then using tool call for further analysis. So here are some examples. With GPT-4o alone, when you ask a question, it's going to give us the basic answer, what's in its memory. But that is not reliable and accurate. But when you activate deep research, then it plans, collect all the required information from the internet by searching, putting it all together in the expected format. When the expected format is table, then it's going to give you the table format. That is brilliant. Similarly, you got needle in a haystack test. Providing question to GPT-4o, it gives a basic answer. And with deep research, it's going to give more accurate answer. Similarly, you got a few more examples here which you can look at. They also provided level 1 task, level 2 task, and level 3. Seems like the level 1, the basic level task, level 2, much more advanced, and finally level 3 task. Here are other examples. One is chemistry, then linguist, and then healthcare. This is going to speed up the process of internet research. Also, here is another comment from Twitter. OpenAI's deep research is just a search plus read plus reasoning in a while loop. And you got the open source code here. So this code does a similar approach of identifying the gaps, then searching for those relevant information, putting it all together, and then finally generating the report. This can also be done using self-reflection AI agents in Praise AI, and that is also completely open source, which you can try. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like ChatGPT, I've also created another video in regards to the Reason O3 model, which I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.